Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to set custom live wallpaper in Windows 11. So as you can see here on my desktop here guys, my screen, there's a live wallpaper with water running down the glass, right? And if I move my mouse, you can see that it's actually moving on the screen as well. Well, I'm going to share with you the secret application that I'm using and also how to set your own, right? So let's go ahead and jump into it. So the first thing that you want to do is just go ahead and open up your Microsoft Store, right? Once you open up the Microsoft Store, guys, you want to go ahead and look for the application here that says Lively, right? Once you start to type in Lively, you'll see Lively wallpaper. Go ahead, open up this application and install it. It will say get for you. If you've never used it before, click on get and it will install it for you, and you can simply go ahead and open up that application afterwards. Now once you open up the application, let me go ahead and close this. It will look like this, and as you can see, this is the current wallpaper that I'm currently using, this live one. And if I click on that, I can easily go ahead and have it live. Now if I click on another one, you will see that it changes as well, and I will have other wallpapers on my screen. So as you can see, this one here, if I move it, that's currently another live wallpaper. But how do we add our own custom live wallpaper? It's very easy. On the right hand side, you'll have a plus. Click on this plus. Here you have the option, guys, to upload a file. This is a video file. Make sure it's MP4 as well, or you can even use a link. So you can even put a link to your YouTube videos. Now I have a video on my computer which I'm going to use. So how do we do it? And that means it's custom because it's my own video. So click on choose file, and from here you want to go ahead and find where you have that file on your computer. In my case, I have it in a Drew tutorial screensaver here for my brand, or let's say for my tutorial channel. Then we're going to select that video and go ahead and click on open. Now immediately you see that that file is popped up here, so that I can go ahead and I can go through it. I can simply click on OK, and once I do that, guys, you will see it's loading and it's going to add my video as my new wallpaper. And once you do that, guys, you will see if I minimize here that my wallpaper is there. It might not show, as you can see, it's live there, it's moving, and that's how you add your own custom wallpaper. If you want to learn how to customize your own live wallpaper, guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because in the future tutorial I'm going to show you how to fully use this application and also how to customize these live wallpapers. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.